Hey everyone, welcome to Top Down Tech, where we take a look at tech from the top to the bottom. Today we have the Logitech Popkeys as well as the Pop Mouse and the Deskmat that comes with it. So this is part of the whole Studio series by Logitech, and we have the Daydream colorway here. And this is absolutely my favorite colorway, so this is the one that I specifically chose. By the way, guys, this is not going to be a full review, but this is rather just me unboxing the contents of this package. And of course, we're going to be doing a sound test as well. Now, if you want to get any of these are sold separately, by the way. You can get this from Amazon at about $100 for the pop keys, and if you want to get this in a combo, you can get the pop keys and the pop mouse at $140. I'll leave all of the links in the description box. However, if you're from here in the Philippines, you can get this at LA88. All right, so with those out of the way, let's go ahead and check out the quick unboxing on these pop keys and pop mouse.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I know where to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just.
All right, so here we have it, guys. This is the Logitech Popkeys and the Pop Mouse as well. And this is in the Daydream colorway. And they match perfectly with the desk mat that I have. So again, this is also part of the Logitech Studio setup. Now, I was actually surprised with the mouse because apparently this is a silent type of mouse. So you can't hear any of the clicks. And also, by the way, this one is magnetic. So you can just easily pop it off and put it back in, as simple as that. So I am currently using the Logitech MX Master 3 as my main mouse, as well as the Mountain Everest Max as my keyboard. But I feel like I'm gonna be switching to this specific setup. This is something that I absolutely love. The simplicity of it, the magnificent looking design, and you know, the quirky green color of the faceplate of this keyboard, it just fits perfectly. All right, so just a few more things on the Logitech Popkeys. They do have this rounded keycaps, so you might need some adjustment period to get used to having rounded keycaps. But if you're already used to that, then it's not gonna be an issue. But for me, coming off from a keyboard with traditional keycaps, I feel like there is gonna be some sort of adjustment period. Now, additionally, for those who are looking for a kickstand on this or some legs on their keyboard for additional height, well, you only have this part right here that's kind of protruding. So this is the thickest part of the keyboard. It does have some height to it, but if you want some additional height on your pop keys, well, you're shit out of luck. Those are the only things I've observed after unboxing this keyboard. How about you guys? What do you guys think so far about the Logitech pop keys as well as the pop mouse? Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. I would love to read your comments. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I just wanted to really show you the unboxing and, you know, just a quick setup or just a quick tour of what you can get with the Logitech Pop Keys as well as the Logitech Pop Mouse. But also, of course, I'm going to be doing a sound test at the end of the video, so don't worry about that. You can just skip to there if that's what you're looking for. By the way, if you guys want to see a full review on this, well, you better let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, I think this is gonna be the final video for the Logitech Popkeys as well as the Pop Mouse. And again, if you want to get one, all of the links will be in the description box.